Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor tied the knot a few days ago, and Alia looked absolutely stunning in her minimal no makeup look. And today I'll be showing you how to recreate this bridal look so you can create this as well. And now, without further ado, let's get started. I'm starting out by spraying some water to my face before applying my moisturizer for a better absorption of the product. For moisturizer, I'm going with the Lather moisturizer in the variant Lavender Lime. Next, I'm applying a facial oil. This one's Indulge Essential Wonder Gold Oil. In case you have an oily skin type, feel free to skip this step. And to moisturize my lips, I'm using the Baby Lips Lip Balm by Maybelline. Post all these steps, I like to wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that my skin can absorb all the goodness of the skincare I just did. To prep my skin, I'll be spraying some Pack Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. After that, I'm applying the Hydrating Primer by Makeup Forever all over my face. To fill in the pores of my forehead, nosy and my under eye area, I'm using the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. To give some life to my dull face, I'm using the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light all over my face. To deal with the pigmentation around my mouth, I'm using the Orange Color Corrector by Miss Claire. For foundation, I'm using the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9. What I love about this foundation is that it is extremely hydrating, giving a very dewy luminous finish to my very dry face. It has a buildable coverage, so you can layer it up if you want more coverage, and to blend it, I'm using a Damn Beauty blender. To bring some brightness in the areas like my forehead, chin, under eye and nosy, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand. To blend it, I'm using my Damn Beauty blender. A good thing about this concealer is that it's very lightweight, but at the same time it gives great coverage, and I love how it doesn't cakes up on my face. Now, Alia didn't have much contour on her face, but she did have some blush. So for blush, I'm using this corally shade from Sephora Color Festival Blockbuster palette with my angled brush. To chisel my nose, I'm using the Wet n Wild Duo Stick in the shade Medium. And to set the concealer in place, I'm using the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. And to set and seal everything in place, I'm using the PAC Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. For highlighter, I'm using the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light to the top of my cheekbones. For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas using this brown eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. For eyes, Alia had a soft brown eyeshadow going on her lid and her crease areas. So to warm up and to give some depth to my crease, I'm dipping into this nude brown eyeshadow Freckle by Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette with my blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. And for the lid, I'm using this very rich bronze gel eyeshadow by Sugar in the shade Beautiful Bronze with my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics. And to bring some brightness to my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm dipping into this shimmery bronze shade from the Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette with my flat short shader brush. For my lower lash line, I'm smoking out the same nude brown eyeshadow Freckle from the Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette with my PAC brush in the style 126. Now, because Alia seemed to only have kajal in her waterline and her upper lash line, I'm also doing the same with the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. And to finish up the eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'm curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. And for lipstick, I'm using this nude peachy shade Tease by Faces Canada. And for falsies, I'm using the Ardell lashes in the style 102. To match up with the accessories, I've used a gold sheesh putty with some kundan jewelry with white pearls. I know it's not perfect, but I tried, finishing up with a small burgundy bindi and a white and gold lehenga. I hope you enjoyed this video. In case you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.